So today is insulation day. I've been putting in the insulation. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day out. Perfect day for motorcycle riding, which means I don't have a motorcycle, so I guess I get to install insulation. So I'm putting in the thermofiber insulation or the rock wool insulation. The thermofiber is the brand name that Owens Corning uses for mineral wool. Rock wool is the brand name that rock wool uses for mineral wool. Same thing. Why do I have two different kinds? Because I was able to get, when I bought it on sale, I got the 24-inch R23, so it's 5.5 inches thick and 24 inches wide. Move my hand so the focus stops. From the Owens Corning, I got that on sale. And then for where I need 16-inch wide, the Owens Corning was not on sale, but the rock wool was on sale, and they were from two different big box stores. So the orange big box store carries the thermofiber Owens Corning product, and the blue big box store carries the rock wool product. And if you watch closely and pay attention, you'll get them on a stupid sale. But you got to take your time and watch, and eventually they throw them on sale every once in a while, and when they do, just jump on it. So the screw in, let me move my damn hand out of there so it focuses. So those screws that I was talking about earlier with the big washers that are holding the stuff in place currently, that's just a hunk of metal laying there. So I'm going to continue around the barn and continue to install this stuff. And then I need to put, you'll see I've got these 2x4 purlins on the outside. Matching ones need to go up on the inside so that I can eventually hang my steel. So I'll hang the steel on top of those purlins after the insulation is in. And yeah, so I have face protection, by the way. Wear face protection when you're doing this stuff. I just took it off so I could talk. So anyway, yeah, not much more to talk about. Just got to get my ass to work. Thanks for watching.